In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mount this LED. I bought the 2-pack version, so it came with 2 lights, 2 of basically everything: the mounting brackets, the wire nuts, and the instructions. This is intended for the hallway, but I'm going to use it for my bedroom as well as night lights. It's pretty cool, very sleek. First, mount this, I think it's called bracket, into the wall. Screw 1 screw in to hold in position. Next, use a level to verify that everything is level, and then screw the second screw in. I'm mounting my lights in a vertical position, so if you want to have it in the same vertical position, be sure that yours looks something like this. Next, we're going to use wire nuts to connect all of the wires. I know that it came with nuts, but I really don't like those nuts. I prefer using Wagos. Here you have all of your ground to ground, load, and neutral. To secure the LED onto the mount, it just needs 1 screw. Once you're done with securing the screw onto the wall, go ahead and turn the power back on. Flip the switch to see that the light is actually working. This LED is 24 volt, by the way, and it's very bright. So that is why I'm going to install a Z-Wave dimmer. I'm not going to go over on how to install a Z-Wave dimmer. Please check the link in the description below to see how to install the Z-Wave dimmer. We're going to install another light in the hallway. So first, take off the 2 screws that's holding this old light fixture in the hallway. Here you can actually see the electrical box behind the wall. For safety reason, you should definitely have an electrical box behind the wall. The first light that I did previously has no electrical box, so we're going to fix that later. Oh yeah, before you do any type of work, make sure that the circuit breaker is off, so that way you can touch the wires and not get electrocuted whatsoever. Here you can see I'm connecting all the Wago nuts to prepare for connections to the LED. For this LED, I'm mounting it in the horizontal position, and it works just as good. This is what it looks like in the horizontal position. For this light, it's actually connected to a Zigbee switch, but for whatever reason, after 2 weeks, the Zigbee stopped working. So this light is now fully manual. Let's do a quick automation on how to set up the lights so that it turns on nightly and then it turns off at dawn. Go to Configuration, Automations, Add Automation. Start with an empty automation. In the name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Bedroom Light On After Sundown. The trigger will be sunset. If you want to have offset, that's fine. Suppose today the sunset will go down at about 7 p.m. and you don't want the lights to turn on at 7 p.m. You want it to turn on at 8 p.m. Well, in that case, you want to offset it by 1 hour. This is hours, minutes, seconds. What will your action be? The action will be turning the lights on. Call service light : turn on. Pick your entity. So we're going to pick the entity, which is the bedroom. And then that's it. Just click on save and then you're done. Let's do another automation for when the bedroom automatically turns off when it's sunrise. So you can easily go and click on duplicate automation. The name will be bedroom light turn off after sunrise. The trigger will be sun. Event will be sunrise. Here you can have it offset as well. I'm going to leave it blank. The action will be turn lights off. Once again, the entity will be the same, which is the bedroom. Click on save, and that's it. Hopefully this helps you with automating all of your lights in the house. This way you don't have to do mundane tasks such as turning lights on off. You can focus on something more important, like, I don't know, watch my YouTube channels. Oh, I'm kidding. But I do really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channels, and thanks for watching.